Welcome to Digital Learning of DC. Myself Divya. This is 17th session of Chapter 2 of Human Resource Management subject. And this subject is a part of 5th semester BBA course of Mangalore University. In previous session, we had learned on-job training methods. In this session, we are going to study off-job training methods. Off-job training methods. In order to have the overall development of employees, off-job training can be imparted. The methods of training which are adopted for the development of employees is away from the field of actual job, and that's why it's known as off-job training method. Under this method, trainees are separated from the actual job environment and they're given certain study material. This is given a full concentration on learning rather than performing. There will be a freedom of expression. Training is generally given in the form of lectures, discussions, case studies, and demonstrations. This kind of training is mainly provided by company itself. Sometimes they use special institution for this purpose who provide such kind of training. ಕಾರ್ಯಸ್ಥಾನದ ಹೊರಗಿನ ತರಬೇತಿಯ ವಿಧಾನಗಳು. ಉದ್ಯೋಗದ ಪರಿಸರದ ಹೊರಗಿನ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಲಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯುವಿಕೆಗೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು ಹೊರತು ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ, ಸಂಶಯ, ಗೊಂದಲ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಲು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. Let us see some of the methods of off-job training. First one is role playing. This method is defined as human interaction which involves realistic behavior in imaginary situation. This type of training is essential in case of customer services. Under this training, trainees are given certain roles and trainees assume those roles and enact as per the given situation. This method of training involves action, doing, and practice. Role-playing method is used for developing interpersonal interaction and better relations among other employees. ಪಾತ್ರವಹಿಸುವಿಕೆ. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶವನ್ನು ನಕಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಿಯನ್ನು ಆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶದಲ್ಲಿನ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸುವಂತೆ ಕೇಳಲಾಗುವುದು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಯು ತನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯ ನಿವಾರಣೆಯ ಪರಿಹಾರದ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸುವ ಅವಕಾಶ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. Second one is vestibule training. In this method, training center called Vestibule is set up and actual job conditions are duplicated in it. Expert trainers are employed to provide training with the help of equipment and machines which are similar to those in actual job place. There are special trainers who will provide the training to these type of technical staff members, thereby reducing the burden on line supervisors who has to supervise the entire production process. Under this training, the emphasis will be given for learning rather than production. Vestibule training. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಕಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಜವಾದ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಅನುಕರಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. Next is lecture method. In this method, this is a traditional and also direct method of instruction. In this method, the instructor will organize the materials and give it to a group of trainees in the form of a lecture or a talk. This is beneficial to the training for a large group of employees, and thus the cost and time involved can be reduced. ಬೋಧನೆಯ ವಿಧಾನ. ಬೋಧನೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತರಬೇತಿಯ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆಯೋ ಅಂತಹ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಬೋಧನೆಯ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸಬಹುದು. Next is conference method. In this method, trainer delivers a lectures and involves the trainee in a discussion so that their doubts about the job can be clarified. Trainer uses audio-visual aids for clarifying the doubts. Conferences will be more successful when discussions are included. Even trainees are allowed to participate and to get clarification about their doubts related to their job. ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೋಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಯು ಈ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದ್ರಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅನುಮಾನಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್. Sensitivity training, it's also known as laboratory training or T group training. It's a mental ability that an individual possesses which enables him to be sensitive and understand the emotions of others. And at the same time, he will be able to manage one's own behavior and impulses. In this method, an attempt is made to increase human sensitivity and awareness, which helps to increase interpersonal skills among employees. ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮತೆ ತರಬೇತಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ತರಬೇತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಂಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಹರಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂಬ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಇ-ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Organizations recently using more these type of technology, that is electronic technology for training. E-learning methods include training through internet, intranet, CD-ROM, satellite broadcast, virtual classrooms and digital collaborations between trainees. This system will provide a single log on a point for all e-learning opportunities offered through the company. E-learning will make use of social software blocks, and this is also known as long thread learning. ಕಲಿಕೆ ವಿಧಾನ. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. Organizations, depending upon the type of job, they can choose any of the method which is suitable for training. These are the various off-job training methods. Thank you.